course the wind will blow.
Oh, I think we might see a lead change right here. 21.388.